Hey, Mike here with a quick fix video if you're having trouble with Google's API for our Google Sheets integration. Go back to console.cloud.google.com and choose your Google Sheets project if it isn't automatically chosen. Then click the big APIs and Services button. Go down and click the Google Sheets API that you've already used for your project. Then click the OAuth consent screen. In the original Google Sheets video that you probably just watched, I very smugly said that you'll, quote, need to click publish, so it'll actually work. Well, it turns out you don't. And for some reason, we're not sure why, publishing the app is causing problems for certain people. Probably because Google's API is so simple and easy to use. So what you're going to do is unpublish your app and click Back to Testing. And if you haven't yet, add yourself as a test user by putting in the same Google account that this Google Sheets project is under. Now, when you go back to the settings under Formidable to put in the client ID and secret, it should work. You still may get a warning that the app is unverified, but not an error that keeps it from working. If that still doesn't work, please reach out to our support team. They love dealing with Google API issues. That was sarcasm, but they'll still do it because they're the best in the biz. Take care, and I'll see you next time.